Hi, I'm Julia, and this isn't my shed. So today we've got something really special for you. At the recent 2.5-inch gauge rally, Danny Haywood brought this 442 Atlantic down. And it was apparently built in 1922 by William Briggs, and later on it was rebuilt by LBSC. They redid the valve gear, and a bit later on they also then did an overhaul in apparently 1981. So it's believed to be the very first 2.5-inch gauge loco to pull an adult, but there is a bit of speculation over that. But it's a very, very early loco. Anyway, after a successful boiler test, they thought it would be rude not to give it a go. So this is Danny lighting the burner now. It's actually running off heating oil, but it's very similar concept to a paraffin type heater. So the flame actually heats the fuel as it goes through the burner, making it vaporise, and then you just pump the fuel, keep the fuel tank pressurised, and it will slowly heat up. So it starts off with this yellow flame. Once it all gets to temperature, you get a really nice blue flame, very hot. And an interesting thing you can see is the burner and the rear bogie of the loco is actually attached to the tender. I assume because it's all solid pipes. But hopefully you can see what's going on here.
It's starting to go now,
So the flame actually comes out at the front part and blows backwards into this heat exchanger, which is where you can actually see the flame. So anyway, hope you enjoy this video. Quite interesting and unusual. You can see Danny's just popping the loco onto the burner, which is quite an unusual way of doing things. But yeah, works really well. Anyway, I'll stop prattling on now, and hope you enjoyed the video. Will it need a blower to while it's getting going, do you think?
No, he's come up on his own. Done him yesterday.
That's exactly what I was looking at.
You've got a fire-old door there, but where Curly's done it, you put the pipe right across it on the blow down. You can't quite open it.
I've not got it here, but you want one of those little dental mirrors, you know, on a... Yeah.
Always good to have an informal crowd.
I don't know. It's like a council job. One person doing the work and 5 people standing around watching.
Just what you need. Good.
No pressure.
Yeah, I don't suppose it makes a big deal of difference to drawing through like wooden coal. It's going to burn anyway. Yeah, I remember when we went camping at school and one of the lads got the primer stove and he overcooked it and all the joints, solder all came on.
He gets about 3/4 of an hour and then the bottle starts freezing. They just start to shut off it.
Yeah.
So it's great to just turn it on and off.
Stevenson's. Joy Link now. 160 now, please. You'd have to put a big leg man on it. A big leg man. Yeah. Has anyone got a little oil can I can use? I've got
Oil can, Simeon.
What kind of oil?
That one there that's sitting on that box. Yeah, that one. Thin.
that's lovely. Just put a drop on it.
Is it a single cylinder?
Twin.
Twin.
Yeah.
Feel the power. He's just bringing this one off.
Yeah, I'm not running it. So
Thank you. Just be careful as you're going over the joins, they're a bit big for 2.5. Yeah, I think that's dropped. It didn't used to be as bad as that.
need a riding car or not? Oh, I don't know yet. I'm going to see what she does without you. Yeah.
Oh, the whistle works, that's the main thing. Hey!
Right, I'm going to run it up and down and sort of stuff.
Wants to go.
Right, we'll go back the other way and see what he does.
Is it slip eccentric or
No, stop.
proper? Oh, right.
Yeah, she's alright, yeah. Right, it's deep. Right. There's a little riding car, that one, eh? Yeah, well, you can bloody drive it. No, I'm not doing it. No, I'm watching you drive it. No, I'm not.
Oh, it's going. Oh, it's got some power, hasn't it?
Keep going. Go on, alright. Don't use any wood.
Is this the future, Steve, then? Heating oil?
I know, I've tried it, just set things on fire.
Have to reverse engineer the burner and...
I didn't experiment, I went on the gas because it was a lot easier.
Yeah.
That'll do, you'll get off of that. Go on, Danny, go on, go for it.
Go for it.
It's not where it was either, was it?
Hey.
You know what you got to do for it.